hope you're doing well. Welcome to Nyiha Mwai TV. This is the channel where we grow long, thick, lustrous hair. If you're new to this channel, kindly feel most welcome and subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, you have been with us from when the channel started, we appreciate your love a lot. Thank you so much for supporting me. So guys, in today's video, first of all, I told you before that I am 4 years natural. Guys, I have been in this journey for the last 4 years and it has been incredible. I have loved it and I really enjoy just seeing my natural hair thrive. And some practices that I've shared before of things that I have done, you can check in the previous videos. But in today's video, guys, I want us to discuss things that I wish I knew earlier before starting my natural hair journey. If you started your natural hair journey, good for you, welcome. This journey is going to be the best ever because you already have people that are telling you, you know, their mistakes, what they have been through. So make sure whatever they say, you try it, vet it, and if it works for you, go with it and run with it. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, that less manipulation of hair is equals to less breakage. Guys, first of all, you do not have to be undoing your hair every now and then. Like, you need to stay with that protective hairstyle. Your hair grows when it's not disturbed. So every time you are undoing, you are detangling, you are combing, you are doing all those kind of stuff, you're going to be prone to more breakage, and of course more breakage will lead to short hair and you're not going to retain that length. So I wish I knew that I need to keep a protective hairstyle for longer. Now, I know this is a debate that has been going on, but I just wish I knew that washing my hair in twist is going to be so much helpful. First of all, when it comes to breakage, because of course there's a lot of detangling, there's a lot of scrubbing that take place. Of course, you're going to get knots, but if you wash your hair in twists, first of all, it's going to minimize those knots. It's going to minimize tangles that happen, and also it's going to be easier for you to get into the scalp because those twists, you know, you do not have to do thick or very many twists. You just have to do twists that your hair can be able to hold. So basically, washing your hair in twist is a time saver. You're just going to get your scalp, wash the rest of the hair, and then rinse out, and it's as easy as that. Now ladies, first of all, we need to know that we have to deep condition natural hair. I never knew that you can deep condition your natural hair every wash day. I used to deep condition maybe every 2 or 3 months, and my hair was losing moisture very easily, and it used to be dry and crusty until I realized that I need to be conditioning regularly. Now deep conditioner is filled with lots and lots of moisture. So after the shampoo process, remember, you have washed away everything. So deep conditioner puts in back that moisture that you have lost by sitting, you know, maybe in a dryer or that hooded cup for just like 20 or 30 minutes, whatever your deep conditioner says. And now your deep conditioner helps now infuse that moisture back into your hair. And let me tell you guys, you can attest to this, most of you who deep condition every wash day, that you feel that your hair is full of moisture. Like, it's so soft, you feel your, like, guys, it feels incredible. So deep conditioning after every wash day is perfect and paramount if you want to retain more length. You need protein in your hair. First of all, protein treatment is done every 3 to 4 months depending on how your hair is going to be feeling. You know, if your hair will feel maybe it's more dry or maybe it's breaking easily, you need to know that you need to put in back that protein. Your hair needs protein to grow. We all know that hair is made up of protein, so basically you need that protein, and it's done every 3 to 4 months. So basically you need to get yourself a protein treatment. Guys, I have done protein treatments before where I used to use an egg and a banana and all those things, and they were too heavy, like they wouldn't get deep into the hair shaft. So I opted to use a protein treatment, and it has helped me a lot. Guys, just beware that we do not use a protein treatment every wash day. Some use every 6 months, some will use every 4 months, depending on how your hair is going to feel. But just do remember that you need to put protein into your hair. My to-go protein treatment is the Saru Organics protein treatment. Let me tell you guys, it's the best. It leaves my hair feeling so, like so moisturized. It's shiny. Yani, it's so easy to apply. And you just need to, purchase it. You can get on their website, www.saruorganics.com, and purchase it. Guys, I am telling you this for a fact. You won't regret it because my hair has been driving, as you can see. The other thing that most of us naturalistas are afraid of is shrinkage. Now, we all want to show our length. Like right now, I feel so nice. Like you guys can see my length. Like it's better for you to show off your length than when it's in a protective style, cornrows or whatever. So I've seen most ladies say, oh, my hair is shrinking a lot, I'm not able to show off that length. But guys, shrinkage is a good sign that your hair is healthy. Every time you do a protective hairstyle and you get into that water, you spray water into your hair, you get into that shower and your hair is not shrinking, guys, just know you have damaged your hair. Healthy hair shrinks up, and especially the 4C type hair, guys, it shrinks up to 70%. Like you just have to pull it and elongate it for you to prove to people that, guys, my hair is long. But shrinkage is a very, very good sign that your hair is healthy and you're doing great. Now, guys, natural. A forest is natural. Hair is natural. It grows from your scalp. That means your hair needs water. You cannot grow natural hair without water. Water is the number one ingredient for every product you get. You need to look at the ingredients and check. If it doesn't start with water, don't use that product, okay? But other than the product, you need to be getting into the shower and making sure your hair is covered, or you just sit under the shower and make sure that your hair is covered with water, because water is equals to hydration, and your hair needs to be hydrated before you put in that moisture, because moisture is oils and butter, but water is not a moisturizer, it's a hydrator. It hydrates your hair, and then now you coat in the moisture with now the products. So you need water. You need to apply water on your hair, and you need to drink water. These are some of the things that I just ignored, but after coming to realize way later that I need water, and water is key. Now, there are people who use tools. They use combs to detangle their hair. There are people who love using their God-given fingers, like me. Guys, when I was beginning, I used to use combs because I knew we comb our hair, but I never knew how much damage combs bring to your hair until I started using my fingers. I realized that my breakage reduced drastically. Like I would just, after detangling, I would just check the amount of hair that I have lost, and I'm like, what happened here? Because I came to realize that every time you comb your hair using a comb, there's these hairs that are stuck at the comb, and those hairs are laid because of using that comb, because the comb is not as soft as you are, because every time you detangle your hair, you're going to feel your knots, and you're able to know this side has knots, especially if you divide it, this side has knots, this side does not have knots. But the comb doesn't know that. The comb just grinds into and just tears and breaks everything that comes in the way. So basically, guys, if you're able to use your fingers to detangle, please do it. I know it takes a lot of time. It's not easy. You have to be patient, but it's going to save you big time. So we all know that we start washing our hair like by applying shampoo, going to the deep conditioner process, going to the protein treatment if you need to, and then styling your hair. I never knew that you need to prep your hair before shampoo. Now, guys, we use so many products. There are people who do hot oil treatments. Others use aloe vera to detangle their hair, in preparation for the shampoo, because shampoo can be a very harsh process to your hair, especially if you're not careful. So by doing a hot oil treatment, first of all, it helps you get into that hair by detangling, first of all, and then it puts in moisture, because if your hair is not going to be having moisture when shampooing, guys, your hair is going to be so dry, like literally dry, like you're going to touch your hair and just guys, you need to prep your hair, and it helps a lot when it comes to breakage. Guys, remember, the biggest culprit of not growing long hair is breakage and not retaining length. So we need to prep our hair before the shampoo process. I've said, like, you can use maybe flax seeds, you can use detanglers, you can use hot oil treatment, any oils that you prefer. So yeah, that is one thing that I really came to learn the hard way, and it used to break my hair a lot of times. But after I realized it, the breakage became very minimal, and wow, I was able to retain length. So I know most of you, at the end of the video, you're going to come to the comment section and ask me, Nyiha, what hair products do you use? Guys, I use the Saru Organics natural hair products. You can get them on their website, www.saruorganics.com. You can order and they deliver. Yeah, so basically, guys, they have been working for me from when I started my natural hair journey. I have used them for a couple of years, and my oh my, I can tell you, with lots of consistency and using them as the directions say, guys, you're going to get the best ever natural hair. Because guys, I have used them, they are tested, I have recommended them to other people, and guys, they give me the best feedbacks. They tell me the shampoo worked so well, it removed all the residue, the deep conditioner left my hair feeling so soft. So guys, I highly recommend the Saru Organics natural hair products for you. And we have come to the end of the video. I know, guys, I know now you're going to learn by my mistakes what I never did, but now I'm incorporating, and it has worked perfectly for me. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and please subscribe. And follow me on my socials, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Nyiha Mwai is where you can find me. Thank you so much. Until next time.